Student, in this video we are going to learn in an interesting lesson of Kasaba Jadhav. So you all are ready for that? Okay. Before I start the lesson, I want introduction. Okay, student? So will you all are ready for that? Student, tell me, do you like to play games? Say, I know each and everyone will like the games. Yes or no? Okay. Can you can you name some indoor game? Say student. Okay, I'll show you. Table tennis, carom board, chess, pool. These are called indoors game. Can you name some outdoor games, student? Okay, I'll show you. Football, hockey, basketball, tennis. These are called outdoor games. Can you name some sport person, student? Okay, I'll show you. See, Sachin Tendulkar, Vishwanathan Anand, Mary Kom, MS Dhoni, Sania Nehwal. These are our sports person. See, student, what you see in this picture? Student, have you heard about Olympic game? Okay, very good student. So student, you can see firings in front of you, yes or no? This is a symbol of Olympic game. Okay, firing interlocking together. Color of these firings are blue, black, red, yellow, green. Okay, student. So, student, Olympic Games are held every 4 years. It is an international festival of games. So, student, here we'll start our video. A great personality of Kasaba Jadhav. Sportsmen from many different countries of world come together for Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic event like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic event, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winner are given gold, silver, and bronze medal. Here some meanings are given. So we'll start one by one. Athletic. So meanings of athletic. The general name of a particular group of competitive sports such as running and jumping. Once again I will read. The general name of the particular group or competitive sport such as running and jumping. Second, bones. A yellowish brown alloy of copper with up to 113. Once again I read. A yellowish brown alloy to copper with up to 113. Wrestler. A person in which two opponents struggle hand to hand in order to pin or press each other's shoulders to the mat or ground. Once again I read. A sport in which two opponents struggle hand to hand in order to pin or press each other's shoulders to mat or ground. This is called wrestling. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. 5 Indian have own Olympic medals so far. For example, Mary Kom, bronze, Abhinav Bindra, gold, Sania Nehwal, bronze, and leader pace, bronze, Susil Kumar, silver. See these here picture also given, so you'll easily recognize. Okay, the first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. See the Maharashtra map. His name was Kasaba Zadav. Kasaba Zadav was born in very poor family in a village called Goleswar in Satara district. Okay, student, but it was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father Dada Sahib was himself a wrestler. Okay, student. He had a five sons. The youngest was Kasaba. They they were all very good, but the best was Kasaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his son wrestling. From an earlier age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means matches. His father took him to see bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. See, Kasaba sat on his father's shoulder and watched the bouts. Okay, student, and enjoyed from the age of 4. Here I'll ask some question. Where was Kasaba Jadhav born? The answer is Kasaba Jadhav was born in the village called Goleswar in Satara district in Maharashtra. Question number 2. What medals are given in Olympic? Gold, silver, bronze medal are given in Olympics. Here again we'll start. Soon it became clear that he was also a best, not only in his own akhada but the whole area, because he keep on doing hard work, and he became famous to his village and national level, international level, like that. Okay, Agile. Agile Kasaba Jadhav became a famous at national level too. He beat national champion. Okay, Agile. Agile means what? Kasaba Jadhav loves sport too. He was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming, gymnastic, and he took part in all these. He became a strong and agile. Agile means meaning of agile is able to move quickly and easily. He loved to discuss sport with his friends. He went to Rajaram College where the wrestling was encouraged. Encouraged means to support it, because and that at that time no game has a such facility. Today we are seeing now so many facility are given, but that time no facility has given for sports person and sports. So the Rajaram College you'll see here, Rajaram College where the wrestling was encouraged. Encouraged means to support it. Okay, see wrestling. Kasaba Jadhav became famous at national level too. He beats national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. Okay, see here the picture. He beat the Niranjan Das at that time national level, and then after he will select it for international wrestling. Okay, International Olympic Games in Spite of these differences, Kasaba Jadhav won a sixth place of out of 42. 42 are there. In that he got the place 6 out of 42. Okay. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What sport did Kasaba like? Kasaba like wrestling, malkham, running, swimming and gymnastics. Question number 2. Whom did Kasaba beats in wrestling and in which year? Kasaba beats the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. Okay. In 1952, see the Kasaba Jadhav. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kasaba wished to take part in Olympic again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the oppositions and officer official. See, that time you'll not take part in Olympic very easily because you have to fit and fine for that Olympic games. So there is so many merits are there that have to faces by Kasaba Jadhav. The meaning of merit: skill of being very good. Opposition. Opposition means the answer is opposition, resistance or dissent expressed in action or argument. Official, a person in a position of responsibility. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the game were held. In that time, we'll see lots of facility has given for sports, but in that time, no facility. They have to spend their own money for staying, for traveling, and each and everything. Okay. It was very expensive. Kasaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. The principal of Rajaram College, he rented his house and gave money to Kasaba to go for Olympic. So, such a good person he was. The other people in Kasaba village also help. The other person, villagers also help the Kasaba to go for Olympic. In see Helsinki, the 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki, Russia, Gulf countries. There, Kasaba Jadhav had to face opponent from Russia and Gulf countries. He won each bout within a 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both match. The match lasted for 15 minutes. Kasaba lost the match by just 1 point. Because the Japanese wrestler are well trained, so Kasaba tried to defeat, but he will not qualify that match. He lost the match by just 1 point. Okay, he was exhausted after the bouts, but he was asked the wrestler with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was again the rule. According to the rules, Kasaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kasaba lost he in the bout with a Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. See, Kasaba Jadhav, the place of third. India has written, okay. When the Kasaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The, the people in his village gave him a grand welcome, put garland, cheering, saying hip hip hooray, like that. Though he won third prize, then also the people of India, people were very happy. A procession of 151 bullock carts waiting for him in his home village of Goleswar. Procession means a number of people or vehicle moving forward in order orderly function, especially as a part of ceremony. Do you know understand the procession meaning? A number of people or vehicle moving forward in orderly function, especially as a part of ceremony. The villager carry their hero home to the sound of dole. See, dole nagada bajne laga. Kasaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning Olympic medal, he played the first bow to raise money not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kasaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. See Kasaba Jadhav picture, everyone. Exercise. Question number 1. How many bouts did Kasaba Jadhav win at Helsinki? The answer is Kasaba Jadhav won 5 bouts at Helsinki. Question number 2. What differences did Kasaba find in wrestling in Indian and outside India? Answer. Kasaba found that Indians' rules and international rules are different. In addition, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit, while at the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. Question number 2. Write the opposite of loved, hated. Second, best, worst. Third, youngest, oldest. Fourth, strong, weak. Now here find the 5 Olympic event hidden in the square box. See, you have to search. Okay, student. I hope this lesson will understand you easily. I try my level best to make you understand this lesson. I know you all understand very nicely. Okay, so copy down whatever question I had given in that lesson. Thank you, student.